Hi everyone, Allan Morrow here and welcome to the next episode in this series where I'm going to be making a trance track from start to finish in Ableton Live. In this episode I'm going to be taking you through a deep in-depth guide in how to create effects and use them in your tracks. Producers come across many different issues when it comes to getting that pro sound with effects, and some of the common ones that I often see are effects that don't create any real impact or atmosphere within different sections of their tracks, sections of their tracks that sound far too empty and unfinished, and effects that have no depth and don't sound cohesive with the rest of the track. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to overcome these issues along with a multitude of others, and I'll also be guiding you through how to create rise and fall gate effects from other sounds in your tracks, how to create custom length rises that suit your track, along with creating unique atmosphere effects from presets you probably won't have thought to use before. I'll be showing you a clap technique that creates a huge amount of impact. All of this plus much more, so that once you have watched this tutorial you will then feel confident that the effects within your tracks have a huge impact and sound professional. So if you're wanting to take your tracks to that next level, then grab your copy now at allanmorrowstudios.com.